If you want to know how to fix TikTok too many attempts problem, you've come to the right place. So let's try to open our TikTok app, and as you can see, everything is working. I was successfully logged in, so I don't have any problems like this now. But how did I fix it maybe 5 minutes ago? So all we need to do is just to simply open the App Store or basically Google Play, depends on your mobile type, and then just click on search here, and then just paste the TikTok. So we need to find the official page of this app, and if you have the option to update, just simply update it, and after that you don't have this problem anymore. So you'll have some more attempts, you can easily try to log in. But if you have the latest version, I have the another solution. All we need to do is just to simply delete our app. So just click on remove, and then just delete app, and then just re-upload it using App Store or Google Play. So after that, this problem will be automatically solved, and you'll have some more attempts to basically log in. And the other way of how can we fix this problem is just simply go to settings. On the iPhone it looks like this, and then in the search bar we need to search for storage. On the Android, by the way, you can do the same. So here we need to click on storage, and then we need to wait until everything will be uploaded. It may take a little time, but it's very important. So all we need to do now is just to simply wait until all the data will be uploaded, and then we need to find the TikTok app inside of this folder. So let's wait for a little. By the way, on the Android, I know that you have the same feature here. So you can come to the same page. Here we can find the TikTok, we need to find it. So let's try to find it, should be somewhere here. And on the TikTok page, all we need to do is just to simply click on one button. So let's try to find it. I missed it somewhere, but we need to find it right up here. So where is our TikTok? So yeah, it's right up here. If you'll click, we need to click on upload app right up here, and then just re-upload all the data. So it will help us to fix this problem. And basically these are the ways of how can we fix this problem. But sometimes you need to understand that all you need is just to wait maybe for some hours or some days, and this problem will be automatically solved. So this is the way. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.